This is the LEM BigBite number 32 meat grinder. If you're serious about grinding meat, I definitely recommend it. It's a huge upgrade from grinding meat with your Kitchenaid mixer, which is what I used to do. To assemble it, you add the throat to the main part of the body, and then you just tighten down this nut until it's secure. Then you insert the auger, make sure it's pushed all the way to the back. Next, add the grinding blade. The curved part goes towards the back. This grinder comes with 3 plates, 2 for grinding and 1 for stuffing. It also has 3 stuffing tubes with different diameters depending on how big you want your sausage. To add a plate, look for the notch on the throat and the notch on the plate. Line that up and push it all the way back. Then screw on the outer ring to lock everything into place. Next, add the meat pan on top. It will snap down onto the handle. Now you're ready to grind your meat. All the meat will get pushed down through this hole, and to protect your hands, you're going to want to use the meat stomper. It's included. The cord is in the back of the meat grinder, and you're going to want to plug that into a 110 volt outlet and then press the power button, which is on the side. I freeze a lot of brisket trimmings and then grind them every few months. With the 1.5 horsepower motor, I can grind 2 pounds of meat in around 30 seconds. This is really important because when making sausage, you need your meat to stay as cold as possible. With this speed, your meat is only out of the refrigerator for a short time. You can also blend different cuts together to create your own custom burger blend. It honestly takes me more time to put the meat grinder together and then clean it than it does for me to grind the meat. My only cons with this grinder is that it's really heavy, but that's because it's a solid appliance. Also, the manual is really basic, but you can find some good info and videos on the LEM Products website.